Today's video is going to be 10 super free or cheap date night ideas that maybe you haven't thought of before. I tried to do ones that I actually enjoy and think are really good ideas and kind of not corny. Maybe you guys think we're corny. I guess that is all relative, but yes, I think saving money is super important, and I guess a lot of times if you're dating or something, you might think you have to spend a lot of money to impress the guy, the girl, I don't know, just to, I don't know, show off a little bit, but that's not true at all. Some of the most awesome fun dates I've ever been on with my husband, it was free or super cheap and really memorable. So let's just get straight into the list. Number 1, check out your local museums and look if they're offering a free day. Matthias and I did this when we lived in Wisconsin. The Milwaukee Public Museum had a free day and we went, and it was so much fun. Yes, it was crowded. So I guess if it is a free day, try to get there early in the morning. But yeah, you can sometimes save a lot of money because the tickets for this museum were pretty pricey, so we lucked out finding a free day on the weekend that we were looking to go. Just fun just to wander around and look at stuff together and learn something new. An awesome date idea. Number 2, have a movie night at home. Not Netflix, not where you have to like sit and search and load stuff and try to pick something. Have a proper movie picked out that you're gonna watch. Maybe you can put some blankets on the floor, make some homemade popcorn. We love making homemade popcorn, not the nasty microwave stuff. And you can throw some chocolate chunks in your popcorn. Make yourself a special like bubbly water drink or some fun cocktails and make a proper movie night at home. This can be so much fun. Date number 3, one of our personal favorites, going to the library. Unfortunately, since we've been living back in Europe, the whole library thing isn't as attractive to us as it was in the US, where they had all sorts of new release books and movies and awesome resources available. In my experience, the libraries here are not quite the same. They're slightly more academic, but if you do have an interesting, fun library close to you, make sure you get a card, and it's just a fun daytime activity. You can go together and pick out books, and yeah, the library is loaded with great resources, and just it's a calm environment and makes you feel very relaxed. And yeah, books are awesome for getting your creativity going, and I think there's nothing more romantic than being creative and dreaming about the future together. So yes, definitely check out the library. Number 4, go on a hike or a walk of some sort. Matthias and I absolutely love to walk and talk together. We have some of our best conversations, hands down, when we are walking and moving, I guess because your mind's kind of in a different kind of state, really free thinking, and yeah, we just always have great talks about life and the future and dreams and everything when we go on a walk or a hike. Yeah, even bonus points if you pack some sandwiches and you have a little picnic. Number 5, find some free events, any kind of events, networking events, on, I think it's called Eventbrite, or Meetup. You can find some networking events and you can go together, maybe do something outside of your industry, try something new, and usually there's always food and wine included, so it's good on the budget. Number 6, go on an Instagram mission together. We love to do this. Just go walk around, look for new beautiful picture spots where you already live. You might discover something new in your own city, in your own town, and you have some awesome Instagram pictures to prove that you were there. This is super fun. You can take turns taking pictures of each other or take some selfies together, but the funnest part is just looking for those new places to take pictures together. It's awesome. Number 7, go on a bike ride. If you don't have bikes, most towns do have some sort of bike sharing system. Matthias and I were actually super pleased to find out in Zurich, where we used to live, they had a free bike rental system in the city. So it can be free, it can be super cheap. Get some bikes, especially on a beautiful day. Just go bike around and enjoy the weather, the fresh air, especially with spring. Actually, I really want to do this. We have to find some bike sharing things in Berlin. Definitely makes for a fun date. Number 8 is make a vision board together. This is a really awesome activity. You just need a big piece of paper and some old magazines or newspapers, and you can just cut out things that inspire you or things that represent where you want to go in the future or where you've been. It's just a great time. You can put on some music, maybe drink some wine if you want, and just dream about where you want to go and get up there, think big picture with your partner. I think that this is really fun and romantic and inspiring, and I absolutely love making vision boards. If you'd actually like to see a video of Matthias and I doing a vision board together, let me know, I can upload that as well. Number 9, try out a new recipe. This is so much fun. Matthias and I have obviously been doing this a lot lately since we went vegan. We go on Pinterest and try stuff out. You have to spend money on food anyways, so might as well try something new, break out of the routine, get on Pinterest, get some inspiration, go to the grocery store and look around together for those items and come home and try it out. Last and final, number 10, is go to a free concert. Again, when Matthias and I were living up in Wisconsin, for his school actually, he was required to go to an orchestra, and we found some free tickets for some orchestra. I think it was like a youth group or something, but it was totally something we would never do, but he was required to do it from this class, and it was such an awesome night. It's honestly one of our most memorable nights from living up in Wisconsin. We went to a different part of town we wouldn't normally go, and a different type of event, something we wouldn't normally do, and we really enjoyed the music, and it was really great and inspiring. We love seeing those people on stage just pouring their heart and soul into the music and loving what they're doing. To us, there's nothing more inspiring than watching people do something or talk about something that they're super passionate about, and I think music is a great way to just, I don't know, we got so much energy after that concert. It was great. We have to do that more often. I really hope you guys enjoyed these tips.
Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you like it, you comment it, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel so you can continue receiving amazing videos just like this. So thanks for tuning in. Until next time, see you then. Enjoy your day. Stay awesome.